Hello besties, it is Learning O'Clock. Today's topic is multiplying decimals by 3 digits whole numbers with remaining. In my previous video, I've made video on multiplying decimals by 3 digits whole numbers without remaining. You can check that out on my channel. Today, we are moving on to multiplying decimal numbers by 3 digit whole numbers with remaining. A decimal number is a number that begins with a decimal point. For example, 0.26. 26 is a decimal number because it begins with a decimal point. Why this 14 is a whole number because it does not begin with a decimal point. So also this 354 is a whole number because it does not begin with a decimal point. Example question says 14.26 times 354. Let's go to the solution. The solution, 14.26 times 354. To solve this, I will begin by using the last digit of this 3-digit whole number to multiply the numbers written up one after the other. That is the last digit here, which is 4. I use to multiply the numbers written at the top one after the other. 4 times 6 equals 24. That is, I counted 4 circles in 6 places and my answer is 24. I'll write the last digit of my answer down like this and cancel it out here, meaning I'm left with 2, and continue with my multiplication. 4 times 2 equals 8. That is, I counted 4 circles in 2 places. But here, I'm still left with 2. These 2 will be added to this 8. And that gives 10. 8, 9, 10. I have 10. So I'll write the last digit of my answer here, like this, and cancel it out here, meaning I'm left with 1. I'll continue with my multiplication. But here, before I move to the next number, here is the decimal point. So I'll fix the decimal point here, like this. That is, the decimal point comes before these 2 digits. So here is my decimal point. I'll continue with my multiplication. 4 times 4 equals 16. But I'm still left with 1 here. I'll add this 1 to this 16. And that gives 17. So I'll write the last digit of my answer here and cancel it out, meaning I'm left with 1. I'll continue with my multiplication. 4 times 1 equals 4. I'll add the remaining 1 to this 4, and my answer is 5. I'll write my 5 here. As it is, I'm done using the last digit of this 3-digit whole number to multiply these digits one after the other. So I'll move to the next number, which is 5. Because 5 is a new number, I'll begin with the new line. 5 times 6 equals 30. That is, I counted 5 circles in 6 places. That's 30. I'll write the last digit of my answer here. Why I write it here is because 5 is a new number. I'll begin from another line, and that 5 happens to be the second number from the back, 1, 2. So that's why I'm writing it here, 1, 2. Here's the second number from the back, and I am left with 3. I'll continue. 5 times 2 equals 10. But I still have 3 here. This 3 will be added to this 10, and that gives 13. I'll write the last digit of my answer here. I will not write anything under the decimal point. I'll write it here and cancel it out from this place, meaning I'm left with 1. 5 times 4 equals 20. But I'm left with 1 here. This one will be added to this 20, making a total of 21. I'll write the last digit, which is 1, here, and cancel it out, meaning I'm left with 2. So 5 times 1, 5 times 1 equals 5. I'm left with 2 here. This 2 will be added to this 5, making a total of 7. So my answer is 7. And I write my 7 here. As you can see, I'm placing it correctly so as to get an accurate answer. I'm placing it properly so as to get an accurate answer. And here comes to the end of the multiplication of the second number, these digits one after the other. I'll continue with the third number, which is 3, meaning I'll begin from a new line. And looking at this 3, which is the third number, that's the third number from the back. 1, 2, 3. For that reason, my new answer will be written under the third number from the back. 1, 2, 3. And here it is. 3 times 6 equals 18. So I'll write the last digit, which is 8. Third number from the back. 1, 2, 3. So this is where my answer will begin from. 8. I'll cancel it out. I'm left with 1. 3 times 2 equals 6. Plus this one that is at the top, that is 7. I'll write my answer here. 3 times 4, 3 in 4 places equals 12. But here, there is no number for me to add another number for me here. I only write 2 here. 3 times 1 equals 3. Plus the one that is left here, 3 plus 1 equals 4. This is 4. So here is it. I'm done multiplying. I'll go ahead to add together. 4 is here. Bring it down. 0 plus 0, 0. This decimal point will be fixed here. And 7 plus 3 plus 8 equals 18. So I'll write the last digit. So I've written my 8 here. I'll cancel it out from this place, meaning I'm left with 1. And 5 plus 1 plus 7 equals 13. Plus the one that I have left here, 13 plus 1 equals 14. I'll write the last digit, which is 4, and cancel it out. 7 plus 2 equals 9. Plus the one I have left equals 10. I'll write the last digit here. 4 is here. 4 is there. Plus the one remaining equals 5. Here it is. My final answer is 5048.04. Was this helpful? Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow my page for more educational and insightful content. Thank you.